Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing Hank and Henry's new collection. This is their Stars and Stripes. It was a bundle deal that was on the website and I had to get it because you know that I'm upset. So it's not Stars and Stripes, it's Stars and Shadows. My bad. Anyways, this is what the inside looks like. And we are going to swatch everything. I'm probably not going to do a look in this video. If you want me to do a look with any of this in a future video, just leave comments below. And if I pick a look that you suggest, I will definitely give you a shout out in that video. So let's go ahead and take a look. So there is this card. And on the back here it says, "Hello my loves. I had so much fun creating our Stars and Shadows collection. I know you're going to love it. Your continued support drives me to work harder every day. Thank you." And you have the autograph right there. So that is super sweet. So let's go ahead and open. So in this collection is 3 palettes. We've got nudes, berries, and mauves, and I am going to swatch all of them so we can see what they look like. And the first one we got here is nudes, and let's go ahead and see what the palette of nudes looks like. So there is the inside of the nudes palette. So pretty. Okay, so it looks like these are all pretty much matte, which is fine. I know I put like glitter and shine on everything, but honestly, I use mattes before I put all the shiny stuff on because of my hooded eyes. Shiny stuff doesn't really stay put like it should, and I have found that when I use the matte first, things tend to stay a lot better. But anyways, let's go ahead and swatch this first palette. So these are the nudes. I'm not going to pretend I can pronounce all of these guys. Hank and Henry, the creator himself, does speak Spanish, uses a lot of Spanish words, and I can barely speak English, so I'm not even going to pretend like I can make those sounds because I know I can't. So anyways, these are the colors of the nudes palette. Super pretty. And I'm not going to do a first impressions review of these palettes, and that's mainly because I have almost all of them already. So this is just continuing my collection here. And I already know that I love the formulas that he uses. I have never had a palette that I didn't like the formulas in. So if I ever come across one, you're going to hear about it in a video because I'll be shocked. But we'll move on to the next palette. Okay, so this one is the Berries palette. And this is what the inside of the berries looks like. I really like those colors. I am really into this one right here. I'm sure that doesn't surprise you guys because look at the shine in that, and you guys know I am obsessed with shine. So let's go ahead and swatch. Okay, so these are the colors swatched, and I am so happy about this color, and this color, like, my happiness is just unbound. Honestly, it's just glorious and pretty and sparkly, and I think honestly I'm going to try to find a look to create just to wear that. Whether or not I record it, I don't know, but like I just want to cover my face with that right there and be like a metallic silver face. Maybe I should do a silver look and just cover my whole face in silver. Alright, so moving on to the next palette. Alright, so this is the last palette. This is mauves and the inside. I have not really worn mauves in a long time. I think I wore them at the end of the 90s. That was the last time I really wore them. Haven't really worn them since. Anyways, let's go ahead and swatch these ones. Those are those colors, and you can see I still have glitter from one of the other shadows still, but those are really pretty. This one does have a mix of mattes and shimmers, more mattes than shimmers though, but those are really pretty. Okay, so I am curious about these. Okay, so these are liquid eye shimmers. That is what that is. There are 7 of these, and we are going to look at each of them. This is Celestial. I think that's right. Yeah, Celestial. So this is the packaging. These last 12 months, so good year. That's pretty solid. Oh, this looks glorious. Look at that. Okay, so this feels really weird. It's this weird squishy gel feel to it. I have so many mixed feelings. Not even sure how I feel about it, but let's swatch. Oh, okay, this is really pretty. I'm very curious how that's gonna go over top of other shadows, but like honestly, if I was doing a low maintenance kind of look and I just put a little tint on my eyes and I put a little of that on top, I would be happy. You could probably even double that as a highlighter if you do it lightly. Okay, so this is the next one. I cannot read it. I think it says Nora. Let me open it. It says Nova. Nova. It's not Nora, it's Nova. So there's the color on that one. And again, look at that. I'm just like obsessed with how these look in the container because it just looks like metal, like liquid metal. So yeah, let's swatch this one. That is very, very pretty. Okay, this next one is called Milky Way. I'm guessing it's probably going to be similar to that shade because they seem to be matching the boxes pretty well. I think that's usually their thing though. They usually try to match the packaging to the color, which I appreciate. Okay, so this is the color. It is a diamond-esque color. There you go. Okay, I really, really like this one. And this honestly gives me a lot of 90s vibes because like we had all these like glitter products and gels then, and most of them had this kind of glitter to it. And that's what that reminds me of. Very 90s glitter, but I still love it. I think it's gorgeous. Okay, so this next one is Nebula. And it looks like, ooh, a really pretty purple. Almost a lavender. Okay, so there is that one swatched. Okay, so this next one is Starburst. Again, judging from the packaging, it's probably going to be silver-ish color. And it is. Okay, so this has actually got like a pink tint to it, kind of a off-white. But let's see what this one looks like on. I have so many sparkles. You know that doesn't upset me at all. Alright, so there is that one. We have 5 of them here. So I've got 2 more to go. Okay, so this next one is Helix. I think I'm strangely more excited about these little pots of glitter than I am the palettes, and that's probably just because glitter and shimmer. Okay, so this one is this one's super silver. Okay, so you see they almost look the same, but they're not. They're definitely different. You can see it here. This one's more silver. That one's got the off-white. All right, the last one we got here, Andromedia. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong. All right, so this one looks more pink or gold, like a rose gold. Definitely more of a rose gold. And there is the last one right here. I can't really see it because my hand is twisting, but there you go. I am so obsessed with all that glitter. I've got to do something with it. I don't know what, but I have got to do something with all that glitter and shine because it's amazing. But that is it of this new collection. I am super excited about all of this, and I am up for any recommendations of any looks you want to see with any of this. And that is it of this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts of this collection, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe.